Greetings, and welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. You did know, say when you go through temptation, Jesus did a pray for you so that you will not give up and so that you will not stop believe? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, if you make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Luke chapter 22 from verse 31 to verse 34. Simon, Satan asked for Sibunu through trainer like flour. But me pray for you, Simon, so you not tap believe. And when you trust in me more again, help your brother them for trust in me too. But Simon said, Lord, me ready to go with you a prison and for even dead with you too. Jesus said to Simon, say, Peter, before the rooster crow, you will say 3 times, say you don't know me. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.